Intruder alert! Red spies in the base!
A red spy's in the base? Hot, 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 hot.
Protect the briefcase!
We need to protect the briefcase!
Help me.
Yeah, I got it. Stand back, son. One.
Let's
One.
go, let's go, let's go!
Incoming!
Hey, it's still here.
Right then. Ahem. Gentlemen. Do. I see the briefcase is safe.
Yeah, it is.
Tell me, did anyone happen to kill a red spy on the way here? No? Then we still have a problem. And a knife.
Big problem. I killed plenty of spies. A dime a dozen backstabbing scumbags like you. Ow. No offense.
If you happen to kill them, I assure you they were not like me. Nothing like the man loose inside this building.
What are you, president of his fan club?
No. That will be your mother.
What the?
Indeed. And now he's here to us. So listen up, boy. Or pornography starring your mother will be the second worst thing that happens to you today. Whoa!
Give me that!
This spy has already breached our defenses. Go! Center down! You see what he has done to our colleagues. Yeah! And worst of all, he could be any one of us.
Raus!
He could be in this very room. He could be you. He could be me. He could even BAM!
Oh, whoa!
Oh, what? It was obvious. He's the red spy. Watch. He'll turn red any second now. Any second now. See? Red! Oh, wait. That's blood. So, we still got problem. Big problem. Alright. Who's ready to go find the spy? Right behind you. Oh.
Do.
Ah, ma petite fleur.